you plant. This has been the guiding theme of the MyTree initiative, which is know where you're planting, know what you're planting, and how are you going to ensure its survival.
This is my tree. I'm sitting under the tamarind tree. It's my tree. The idea of my tree is, it means my tree and Maitri, which means friendship cutting across barriers of species. This is what is called Maitri. We are human species, they are plant species, but everything has to be together. So the whole idea is, we have started not only planting trees in wherever we can, but also getting people to adopt the trees which they have planted. You can plant 100 trees and go home. Trees won't grow. So somebody has to take responsibility. Planting a sapling and making it grow into a big tree is like looking after a small child.
This is the key to slowly and steadily bringing back our diminishing forest cover. Our focus is to plant and nurture, sensitize and educate the community towards the environment, especially children. We now look forward to take on larger projects. To support and know more about them, connect with us.